बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson of double letter phonograms from Iqra Joint Handwriting Series 1. Students, I hope you are learning sounds on daily basis. So it's time for revision. Before starting our new lesson, we are going to revise our previous phonograms. So all of you be in listening position and let's start revision. Okay, we are going to start revision. Sh as in fish, E as in tree, Z, ao, o, u, a, u, ch, k, sh. R as in car, A as in paint, A as in day, OA as in boy, OE as in oil, R as in her, R as in first, R as in nurse, Were as in worm, R as in early, Ing as in ring, E A, O as in law, O as in August. So it was all about a revision. Now we are moving forward towards our today's lesson. Okay students, all today's phonograms are given on page number 48 and 49. So let's start learning sounds, then we will do a written work. Okay students, it's for today's first double letter phonogram and it has only one sound. Let's start reading. Or as in horse, or as in horse, or as in horse. It has only one sound. Next one. It's all today's next double letter phonogram and it also has one sound. K as in lock, K as in lock, K. Okay, K as in lock. It also has one sound. It's all today's last double letter phonogram and it also has one sound. W as in whale, W as in whale, W. It also has one sound. W as in whale. Now let's move forward towards writing series. After learning sounds, we are going to do the activity page. It's page number 49. Take your pencils in your hands and let's start this activity. Okay, what's the activity? Blend the sounds and write. Blend mean you will glue them. Okay, you will glue the sounds and then you will rewrite. For example, look at the first one. Or n, horn, or k, fork, k, or n, corn, and the last one, or magic E, horse. Clear? Horn, corn, fork, horse. Or phonogram. It has one sound. Now let's move forward towards next phonogram. Or today's second phonogram, K. Okay, now we are going to blend the sounds. L or K, lock, T L A K, truck, B A K, back, D A K, duck. Clear students? Then you will rewrite the words in the blanks. Now come towards our today's last phonogram. Or today's last phonogram. Let's start blending the sounds. W, eat, wheat, w, a, l, magic E, whale, w, e, l, wheel, w, l, whirl. Okay, are you getting, students? Wheat, whale, wheel, whirl. Whirl, when something moves rapidly in round and round, so it's called whirl. Okay, जब कोई भी चीज़ जब हवा में कोई भी चीज़ तेज़ी से राउंड एंड राउंड मूव करी हो तो इट विल बी whirl. Okay, I R will be silent, whirl. Okay, like this. Then you will rewrite the words as you have done in the previous activity. You will do writing in the last activity also. Now let's move forward towards writing phonograms on board. Now we are going to do writing on the board. Tell me names of lines. Top line, mid line, base line, bottom line. Now we are going to start writing from base line, and you will read the sound side by side, and then we will write. Our first phonogram is or, as in horse, or as in horse, or as in horse. Make the loop or I of the O properly, and we will complete the writing or as in horse. Clear, students? Next one, K as in black, K as in black. Make the triangle proper. K as in black, K as in black, K as in lock, K as in lock. Clear, students? Triangle should be proper. Triangle number 1 and 2. Next one, W as in white, W as in white. Make the triangle proper and shape of W should be nice. W as in white, W as in whale, W as in white, W as in whale. In this way we will complete our writing. Now let me show you a notebook presentation, how you will do your work on each notebook. It's our notebook presentation. You will mark today's date in English date, page number, and Islamic date. Then you will mark 1 inch gap plus double madhi line on left side, half inch gap plus single madhi line on right side. Then you will start your first phonogram, or as in horse, K as in black, W as in whale. Okay, and if you have done your written work on writing series, then you will do your written work on notebook. जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने राइटिंग सीरीज पे वर्क नहीं किया फर्स्ट टाइम में, वो राइटिंग सीरीज पे करेंगे, बाकी सब स्टूडेंट्स नोटबुक्स पे करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स नोट टुडेज डायरी, ऑल ऑफ यू. Okay, my dear students, it's your today's diary. Learn plus 2, page number 48-49, writing series 1. Students, you will learn the sounds by heart, plus you will solve the activity and you will do your written work on notebook. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.